Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to silence unknown callers in Viber. And now let's dive right in. Now to silence unknown callers in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on the more button with the three dotted icons at the bottom right side of the screen. And over here, tap on the settings option available for us, which is just above my notes. Tap on settings and you will land over here where you can see there is the calls and messages option available for us. We'll be required to tap on the calls and messages. And on this interface guys, scroll down. At the bottom you can see there's an option where it says silence unknown callers. Calls from unknown callers will be silenced and displayed in your chat list and recent calls list. Make sure guys the tick mark is enabled on that option at the right side by tapping on it. By turning it on like this guys, you will start to silence unknown callers, whoever is calling you on Viber if they are unknown, and they will be on the chat list and recent calls list, but they will be silenced guys. And with that being said, this is how you will be able to silence unknown callers in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.